Hi, I'm George. I'm one of the physios at Paul Physio Rooms. This week we're talking about knee pain. I just wanted to give you a few quick tips on how to help treat your knee pain at home. One of the things you can do is use of heat, which would involve applying a heat pack or a hot water bottle to the affected knee for 15 to 20 minutes just to allow for the relief of stiffness, and you may find this helps relieve your pain also. Another thing you can do is movement exercises in the chair, and another great thing to do is to try and keep it moving throughout the week. So this can be doing a 5 or 10 minute walk morning and or evening, just to help keep the muscles and the joint moving to prevent it stiffening up. The best thing though is to come in and have a consultation with ourselves, and we can advise you on the best treatment for your knee and make sure you're doing the exercises correctly. We can also provide some manual therapy such as massage, which will help with pain relief.